that are what? Okay, so this one, of course, we know that they are known as the constant, sorry, not constant, control, oops, oh you, teacher Joe, where's my eraser? Okay, it's getting worse. Okay, here we go. Yes, so we have the controlled variables. Do y'all know what's another word for the control variable? It's like F. I think a lot of you are very smart here, y'all know. Hello, Kenneth. Anybody knows what is the variable? Yes, Fionn, great job. Smarty there. Okay, I got a lot of smarties in the group here. Very good, correct, fixed. So the control and the fixed variables, they are the ones that are constant, all right? So in an experiment, all right, there are usually one, it's okay, come let's learn together. So there's one measured variable, one change variable, okay, but there can be many fixed variables. Careless, you got it correct, good job, okay? So there can be many fixed variables. Now the fixed variables, right, you have to make sure that they are constant because ultimately, they can affect the results of your experiment. And because they can affect the results of your experiment, right, you must make sure that you fix them. If not, later on, all right, you cannot say that the results are really solely due to the change variable. When you want to conduct an experiment, you don't want to waste your time, right? You want to make sure that the experiment is fair. You want your results to be reliable, right? So therefore, all your fixed variables, you must make sure that they are constant. They cannot interfere with your experiment. Yes? All good? Any questions so far, guys? So these are the three big friends, okay, that we need to learn. Again, changed, measured, and fixed variables. And in any experiment, all right, they are always being used in PSLE, very common. Oh, cool. Okay. Hello. Hi, Jarvis. Hi, Mr. Key, are you here? Okay, next one. In a fair test, only one. Just how teacher Joe say, one. Okay, satu. And what will help us to know that the results are reliable and accurate? What do you think, children? A fair test helps us to know that the results are reliable and accurate. Okay? All good? So again, thank you for coming in. Please help me to like and share. All right, help me to share with your friends. Okay, it is, I know, the first week of the school, and many of you probably like the first day or the second day of the school, right? And you may not even have seen your science teacher, right? So I really want to encourage you, let's all start early, all right? Learn the terms, learn the experiment-based question so that you are much more ready to excel and to answer the questions. Okay, yes, I'm waiting. Okay, all good? Can I move on to the next page? Everyone's cool? So again, if you want the worksheet, go to the WhatsApp community to download, or you can go to the Telegram. Yes? Ashley. Hi, Ashley. Hi. Flying Goddess, you will get there. I feel your science is very good. Yeah, your science is very good. Okay, here. So what is a fair test? So what is a fair test? What do you think is a fair test? Anyone wants to help me with this? I forgot already. I got 2 minutes dementia. Anybody wants to help me? What is a fair test? One change variable, almost there. One change variable. No, it's not just one change variable. Fair test is... Okay, so a fair test, remember just now, we already went through that question. A fair test is where, to help us to know that the results are reliable and accurate, right? Okay, so a fair test is anybody knows? Want to try? Thank you for liking. Okay. So a fair test actually consists, let me just write down first. Okay, a fact test has a control and experimental setup. Okay, to ensure the reliability of the results. Anybody can tell me what is a control setup?